Alrighty, another up close and personal, and this one is going to be really cool. It's the 600 million limited edition. Look at that, June 3rd, 2020 stamp. Alright, here we go. This one has a lot going on. And that's the Zippo logo on it, super up close. Yeah, we were just commenting on that Zippo logo on the little flame for the eye dot. It was super detailed. Yeah, look at that thing. This thing's the size of almost a pinhead. Maybe a little bigger than pinhead, but it's small to have that type of detail. Look at all the crisscrosses. You would not think it looked like this up close. Most definitely. They look like frosted lines, but those are laser etched. Actually, I think it's a different type of etching. I don't think this is laser. I think it's something different. If anybody's watching this video and knows exactly what type of etching it is, please comment. I'm always down to learn any and everything Zippo. Ooh, this is definitely a bad boy. Got so much going on. Oh, that looks good. Etching designs, graphic designs, and it's wrapped all the way around the Zippo too. Ooh. Alright, we'll end it up on that flame. Yeah, go ahead and go to the flame. Alright, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good one. Thank you.